20 inexpensive gift ideas for wine lovers. Wondering what to get a wine lover for the holidays? Wine lovers are arguably the toughest to buy because they may already have everything they need for drinking enjoyment, from wine glasses and decanters. But fret not. We rounded up a whole bunch of inexpensive gifts that you can get with ease, from quirky ones, formal ones, or even cute functional pieces. Number 1. Funny Girls Party Wine Socks. It's cold outside, but not too bad. You can stay warm with wine and socks. These colorful socks have a message that says, "If you can read this, and bring me some wine." Looks inviting, don't you think? Number 2. Home Euphoria Natural Bamboo Cheese Board and Cutlery Set. The cheese board and cutlery set are a great way to elevate your home gathering. It comes with many compartments for knives, blocks of cheese, cold cuts, and many more, as well as an extra large cutting board perfect for cakes or cupcakes or sushi. Number 3. Cava 9-piece wine travel bag and picnic set. You'll never have to worry about your wine getting too warm on the go with this pack. First, the main compartment has insulation material that keeps the temperature even without additional ice or cooling bags. Plus, it contains stakes made right into its bottom, so they stay stable when you're traveling. Number 4. Simple trending 4-tier stackable wine rack. Storing wine has never been easier with this sleek and stylish rack. It features strong and sturdy construction so that the bottles won't fall over or wobble. Because it's designed vertically to maximize space, you can stack up more of your favorite bottle at any time, no matter how many are currently in use. Number 5. Secura Electric Wine Opener. No more struggles of trying to get the cork out manually. With Secura Electric Wine Opener, all you need is a press on its round button, and your wine bottle will be opened in no time. Number 6. Jolt Spirits Stemless Wine Glasses. How many wine glasses do you own? Chances are they're all the same. But this set is different. It is stemless and has a broad base, so it never spills or breaks like your other sets. Plus, its bowl shape helps to enhance the delicious flavor before swallowing, because of how much more room for aroma there is in each glass than other types out there on the market today. Number 7. Maximatic HC2 Patented Beverage Cooler. A beverage cooler is a great way to keep your drinks chilly, but if you want the most out of their flavor and aroma without any watery taste, then this intelligent device saves time. Just pop it in for 2 hours before use and have no worries about diluting flavors. Number 8. The Wand Wine Filter. Wine is great, but it always leaves you a headache and upset stomach when overindulged. But thanks to this wine filter, the headaches will be gone without sacrificing taste or aroma. It works on red wines, white wines, and champagne too. Number 9. Electric Wine Opener Set with Charger and Batteries. For those who never want to wait for a wine bottle opener, this 4-in-1 set has the perfect tool. It comes with all necessary gadgets and can open bottles in just 7 seconds, which is great if you're in a hurry or have guests waiting on your first pour of the night. Number 10. Urhiri Wine Bottle Stopper. When giving a wine stopper as a gift, always consider the personality of your loved one to find the perfect design. This Urhiri wine stopper is made with 304 stainless steel and sports an attached lever for quick sealing. Number 11. Easy Basics Wine Saver Vacuum Pump. Wines are a delicate drink that needs to be preserved for the perfect taste. But what do you do when you or your friend is not ready to finish their wine in one sitting? Get a gift pack of vacuum pump and 4 stoppers. You can now preserve your favorite wines with ease without any oxidation or loss of aroma. Number 12. Calum Glass Bottle Cutter. The best way to recycle your wine bottles is by cutting them with a glass bottle cutter. This particular cut style allows you to reuse the neck or bottom part as decoration and make great gifts for friends who enjoy drinking wine now and then. It also comes with a supporting wheel and adjustable blades for easy cutting. Enhance your creative thinking and artistry with this unique present. Number 13. Smear Wine Opener Set with Wooden Case. A wine opener set with a wooden case is not only perfect for newbies, but also makes an excellent gift. The kit includes everything from corkscrews to pourers, stoppers, and thermometers. Number 14. Bonino Wine Bottle Opener with Bar Key. You can now enjoy your favorite wine without worrying about the cork popping out while opening and being left with a mess. The Bonino wine opener is an efficient way to remove corks from bottles of wine and caps for other beverages. It has been designed cleverly with its central screw that keeps everything in place so no more spills. Number 15. Tarina Insulated Wine Carrier Tote. The Tarina Wine Carrier Tote bag is perfect for those who want a functional and stylish way of transporting their favorite bottles. The leather material with adjustable straps will allow you to carry up to 4 or 5 different wines at once, while the stainless steel buckles ensure that everything stays securely in place. Its classic look makes it suitable for someone looking for something more understated than bold styles. Number 16. Zumatico Funny Wine Coasters and Holder. At least you got humor. This classic saying never gets old and relatable. If your guests feel a little uncomfortable around all the facts about wine, use some of these funny wine coasters to break the ice. These drink coasters aren't just adorable. They also keep tablecloths from getting stained by spilled drinks or condensation on glasses. Number 17. Smurly Cheese Board and Knife Set. A wine lover can always appreciate a good cheese board. This luxurious bamboo construction makes the perfect gift. It has 2 ceramic sauce bowls and 4 stainless steel knives. The drawers are also large enough to hold your cheese blocks, cold cuts, fruits, everything you need when pairing wines is right at your fingertips. Number 18. Red Wine Modern Framed Wall Art. Fine wine is the perfect gift for a good time, and this red wine modern framed wall art will bring you back to those special moments without even lifting your glass. Hang it in any room of your home so that every time you see it, not only are they beautifully framed on canvas, but also remind you of all the great times ahead. Number 19. Picnic Basket Set, 2-person picnic camper set. When you're gearing up for that special date, whether it's with a significant other or just your best friend, make sure to have the right supplies. This picnic basket set comes complete with everything needed, from plates and utensils down to salt and pepper shakers. Number 20. La Bini Red Wine Glass Charm Bead. Imagine having a personal jewelry designer at your fingertips, no matter the occasion. A silver-plated alloy and rhinestone bracelet that is 100% safe for sensitive skin. This will make any woman feel special, so go ahead and spoil them with this elegant yet fun gift idea. How to choose the best inexpensive gifts for wine lovers. 1. Find out what your recipient wants for himself. It's a bad thing to give someone a bottle of expensive red wine when he prefers white or even rose. 2. Know their fondest wish for their wine experience. Your friend or family may also be wishing for a book to go with his collection or maybe something to update his cellar storage. 3. Are they party animals or the homebody types? A good set of glasses, cheese board, or even a patio cooler will be a welcome gift for a partygoer. For someone who loves to stay in, an adult coloring book may be a fun way to spend time alone. 4. Consider your budget and your friend's preference. Know more about your family or friends' preferences, whether they love a bottle of wine or a decanter, and if you can afford both. 5. Do they want to share your gift with you? Unlike other gifts that your friend can enjoy alone, a bottle of wine may be shared with others. But as it's supposed to be a present, imposing yourself to share the wine you just gave may be rude unless he invites you, of course. Take note of these tips and consider the great options of affordable gifts. Did this video help you choose the best gift? If so, give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more great recommendations, tips, and recipes.